And to our honorable guests from the international community, good morning and welcome to Fivela Industrial Complex. Thank you all for coming. Our company BKG has a remarkable history from a humble beginning to building a brand empire of its own identity, contributing its share to the national building effort. In this private sector, after 29 years of great journey, BKG is now the enterprising face of Ethiopia. Fivela Industrial Complex under BKG is a 4.5 billion investment inauguration today with His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Fivela is not just one factory, but an industry complex comprising of 9 different factories and firms linked on the production chain from the farmer to the consumer. Please allow me to express my deepest gratitude to all of our partners and supporters in this grand success. Thank you all very much.